Welcome to my channel Creative Art. My name is Nilima and today we are going to make this beautiful colorful painting of a Tailor bird, and the background is made with a hibiscus flower and few leaves. It is a very colorful painting. All the shadings are shown in the video how you can make it. Complete steps are given to make this painting. All the materials required to make this beautiful glass painting are mentioned in the description box below as well as shown in the video. This is a very beautiful glass painting by which you can glorify your living rooms, halls and bedrooms to connect it with nature. This is a very colorful and beautiful painting. So enjoy painting, friends. Painting, friends, first of all we have taken a black and white photocopy of our glass painting, and now I have placed a transparent OHP sheet, transparent glass sheet on our black and white photocopy. Using tape we will be securing all the four corners of our OHP sheet and black and white photocopy. Now, as all the four corners are secured, we'll start lining our glass painting using 261 metallic gold camelin glass liner. We have to start it from a corner. You can start it from any corner you like. So friends, as you know, lining is a very simple part. That is why I'm going to complete the whole lining part and I'll show you the final image. How does it looks? Okay. Here friends, as you can see that our lining part is finally completed. Now I'm going to remove all the four secure corners using my cutter. Okay, so here the four secure corners are removed. So I'm going to place it on a plain horizontal surface so that you can see the clear view of our lining. Okay, now we are going to start coloring our glass painting using Fevicryl glass colors, which are water based and available in 10 shades. So first of all we'll color the bird using a red and pink combination. You can also use a brown and pink combination here, and then we'll start the flower, the eyes part and the head part, finally the leaves, and then the final touch up. Okay, so let's start. Just apply a very small quantity of red. And then combine it with part of orange, the remaining. Similarly, I'll cover the whole this part with the combination of red and orange. Now we'll start coloring the hibiscus part. First of all, we'll take the orange and apply it on the borders of the flower, making some lines, and then we'll use yellow to combine with orange, make some shades by moving it in a circular motion. I'll show you again. This is how we have to create shading on the whole hibiscus part. So let's start. So now we'll color the eyes part. First of all, we'll fill up this center eye using a black and red combination. Then fill up the red in the top. The color will get mixed up itself. You need not do anything for that. And now we'll combine this remaining part. We have to use a very little quantity of black, then red, then a bit orange, and then yellow. Okay, just create very simple layers of color. You need not mix them all, they'll get mixed up themselves. And orange, just keep creating layer of colors, and finally yellow. We'll also color the bird using the same color combination, orange and yellow. A bit red can also be used. And finally the touch of yellow. The part of this is bit blue half and purple half. Then we'll be coloring the feathers using same blue and purple combinations, the whole wings even. Okay. Now we'll fill up some part of blue in every section, and in this part bit blue, make the string long. Then using the purple we'll fill up the half this combination, and you have to make the same way all the feathers. We'll also fill up this, combine the blue with purple. Try to create a shading by applying the circular motions. So here in the same way we have to color these feathers, mixing the blue with purple, and then the remaining part, this one's, is a combination of yellow and orange, as I have shown the color shadings here. beautiful painting looks when it has got dried up completely. Now I'm turning this out for you. So this is the final look you get when it has got dried up completely. It took about 12 to 15 hours to get dried up completely. My advice would be do frame it using aluminium foil. I'll show you how does it looks on aluminium foil. Okay, do frame it using aluminium foil to more purify your glass painting. Okay friends, if you did like this video, please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.